Hello everyone, this is day 5 of 75 days lead code challenge. Today's question is longest substring without repeating characters. Let's understand the question. Given a string s, find the length of the longest substring without duplicate character. Let's understand with the help of example number 1. String s is given in which we have to return maximum length of the character of non-repeating characters. In example 1, we return 3 because the answer ABC with the length 3 is the answer. Note that BCA and CAB are also correct answers. Let's understand with the help of second example. In second example, string s is given BBBB and 5 times B, in which only one distinct character of maximum length of 1. That's why we return 1. Let's understand with the help of example number 3. In string s, we are given PWWKEW, in which there is only 3 distinct character KEW are distinct, so that the maximum length is 3. That's why we return 3. We have to solve it using two approaches. Approach number 1 is basically brute force approach and another one is optimal approach. Let's understand with the help of brute force approach first. First we have to initialize integer max length is equal to 0. Then we have to iterate loop int I is equal to 0 to I is less than s dot length I plus plus. Then we have to make a set of character hash set is equal to new hash set. Then we have to iterate another loop int j is equal to I to j is less than s dot length j plus plus. Then we have to check if hash set dot contains what, s dot caret j. If it is possible, then we have to break the loop, else we have to add caret j and we have to update the max length variable mat.max maximum from max length and j difference of j minus I plus 1, in which max length is written. At last we have to return max length. Let's run it. All 3 test cases are passed, but this is not an optimal approach. The time complexity of this algorithm is O of n square and space complexity of this algorithm is O of n. We have to optimize this. We have to use sliding window approach. Let's make set of character int left 0 max length also 0. Then we have to iterate int right is equal to 0 to right less than s dot length right plus plus. Then we have to use another loop in which we have to check hash set dot contains what, s dot caret right. If this condition is true, then we have to remove s dot caret hash set dot remove s dot caret left and we have to increment left. If this condition is not true and the while loop is not iterate, then we have to add hash set dot add s dot caret right. Then we have to put max length is equal to mat dot max of what, math dot max of max length and right minus left plus 1 the sliding window size. Then we have to return max length. We have to run it. All 3 test cases are passed. We have to submit our solution. Our code is successfully submitted. Let's understand the time complexity and space complexity of our code. The time complexity of our code is O of n because this loop is iterate O of n times, and the space complexity of our code is O of n because of this hash set. This is our optimal approach. Thank you. Follow for more.